Let's engrave this piece of wood using this Daja dj6 mini engraving laser machine. First, we just open the engraver app, select pictures and choose the image we want to engrave. Then we select the black and white engraving mode. Open the phone Bluetooth and connect to the machine. Once connected, we adjust the size of the image that would fit into the wood sample. We use black and white images for our background, and don't use transparent background for your images. After that, we input the laser power and laser speed. In here, we use laser power at 50% and laser speed at 60%. Tap Start and wait for file transfer. Remember to protect your eyes by wearing eye protection when using laser machine. It takes 2 to 5 minutes to complete this engraving. Finish. Now let's engrave the other side. Just do the same as the first side. We can use this to make simple wooden craft like so.